another Keep It Reet vlog with your favourite car, the Barra Wagz. Ooh. So today, well not today, this was a bit of an unplanned intro because we ended up near Springnats for a bit of a tough streeters thing to check out the event. And we had the old Barra Wagz on the trailer, so we thought, let's get in there, let's see what they say. And of course, in the Reet fashion, we somehow swindled our way into the event in scrutineering, and they're like, yeah, you're good to go. They said Burnouts was full, but we got in there anyway somehow. We slapped that sticker on and we sent it out. Let's have a look what the Burnout boys think of a drift car, professional drift car, on the Burnout pad. Enjoy. We've got to enter in that Burnout class later in the day. We winged it somehow. Scrutineering did close yesterday, but we're in. And we're going to send a skid. Pump that ass. I wonder if I like ass. 3:30 till what, 9:30? I get like 9 hours. Hello.
Jesse, how you going?
Yeah, not well.
Yeah, no, it's a bit cooked. Not well, mate.
Not well. Battling.
At a woe at Springnats. Let's go have a look. I think Jace is going to get that on. 15 minutes. Let's go see if people like it. See how it's going. Big go to road. Accelerating as fast as you can to some cones and then stopping, I guess. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Check out this car on the right. I've never seen this touching. 700 horsepower turbo Barra. Holy moly.
What do you think about his performance, bro?
He's got no grip. He should be launching it in second,
Yeah.
slipping the clutch and trying to grip up instead of smacking gears and blazing.
Shut up, bitch.
Grab force, you pussy.
Hey, bro, hey. What do you do for a living, bro?
I drift.
You drift. That's it. Drift.
Alright, Jay, Scott Jupes, we're up here in the grandstand, Springnats.
I'm a bit concerned about the Barra Wagz going out there and doing a skid. Why's that?
Just gonna get a bit hot. What are we predicting? Predicting, Jason, before the Barra Wagz gets too hot? 20 seconds?
Sure.
20 seconds?
20 seconds a long time.
It's hot, fourth gear, slap straight in fourth, full boost.
Ready to get on the track, bro?
Yeah, no, we're getting it ready now. She's definitely going to overheat. We're still going to send it. Anti-lag, fourth gear drop, mate.
Oof, goddamn, can't wait. Keen to see Jace rip some burnouts on the Barra Wagz. Let's go. Give us a limit.
Yeah, boy!
We're here. This is different. It is. I was like doing the wrong way, handbrake. Yeah, okay. What doing? It's a weird one, isn't it? Strange one. Couldn't see anything after that first bit. Car full of smoke.
Yeah, literally. It wasn't liking it.
Nah.
The brake locked on when I did that.
Oh,
At
really?
the start, yeah, I was off at one point.
She struggled a little bit.
It's alright.
She probably went straight to 110 degrees and just cut him out. Took timing out, took fuel out, gave him a real short limiter.
It's not
I'm
bad.
kicking. Don't know. They're still going.
Here comes the big old B.
We did a skids and we came and saw.
Came first.
We came first.
We came first.
Yeah, probably far from it.
The one prize.
That's it. So we're back at the factory and you're probably wondering what happened. So we've sussed it out and we've gone over all the safety things, and what happened was the cabin filled with smoke, couldn't see shit, and the safety mode turned on from heat. We've got something going on with like water not doing things and hitting that sensor, freaking out, and the safety probably being a little bit low. We hit a limiter, so we were smacking 2.5K and yeah, kicking that clutch, trying to get it out. And yeah, that's that. But it's all fixed now, so next time we'll be getting that first place. Don't worry about it. The Barra Wagz got it in there, I can tell. Either way, we had some fun. Cool event. The boys loved it. And yeah, have no doubt you might see a bit more of the Barra Wagz taking that #1 burnout trophy. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.